Good evening. Welcome to the special classes on matrices. I think three batches are there in this session. Three batches are there in this session. Sir, yeah, all these batches, you are going to get these running notes at the same time. Sir, you are going to get recordings also. Don't worry. These recordings and running notes, everyone is going to get all these three batches. So today, I want to cover the programs related to the matrices up to certain limit. Okay, so let me have some 20 programs are like that we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay. Yeah. Some people are asking this hacker rank link. Of course, it will be uploaded to your drive also. I mean, to your hacker rank link also. Don't worry. But if you want, you can practice with this for these 2 days, sir. From Monday, every hacker rank, I mean, in your respective hacker rank links, these programs will be uploaded. Don't worry. Just for test purpose, I have taken this. Okay. Yeah. Sir, don't feel that matrix programs are very difficult. Sir, first of all, matrix programs are very easy. Okay. But we need to get the concept. Beyond that, nothing is there. So I will explain you step by step. But first 2 programs, some special case I will take. But remaining programs, as usual, it will be there. Okay. Sir, first of all, let me define what is mean by matrix. Okay. Let me define what is mean by matrix. Sir, you know very well, we know how to create arrays. Okay, we know how to create arrays. So like this, we are going to create array with some elements. With some elements, we are going to create an array. Sir, what is the name of the array? Generally, we will take A. And index locations, 0th index, first index, second index, like this values will be there. Sir, this is called as one-dimensional array, sir. So if you take two-dimensional array, two-dimensional arrays means what? Sir, like this it will be having. Okay, one-dimensional array only. Sir, collection of these one-dimensional arrays is called as two-dimensional array. Okay, sir, let me show you a sample example. Observe carefully. Sir, consider this is nothing but my 1 minute. Yeah, consider this is nothing but my one-dimensional array. So if you create one more array like this, okay, or if you create one more array like this, sir, then this combination of these arrays is called as, sir, two-dimensional arrays. How many dimensions are there here? 2 dimensions are there. One is called as row, another one is called as a column. Okay, sir, which is row, which is a column? Any style you can take, but the universal standard is nothing but 0th row, first row, second row. 0th column, first column, second column. And this entire name of the array is nothing but A only. Okay, if I want to get this element, generally, if I want to get this element, how you are going to take A of 0, right? But sir, if I want to get this element, you have to take row index first, then column index. Sir, what is the row index here? Sir, A of 0 is nothing but row index. What is the column index? A of 0. This one you are going to get. Suppose consider my requirement is this one. How to access this? So first identify in which row it is available, 1. In which column it is available, 1. Suppose if I want to get this one, sir, A of, in which row it is available? Sir, second row. In which column it is available? Second column. If I want to get this one, sir, in which row it is available? Second row. In which column it is available? First column. That's all. So this is nothing but what we are going to have. Okay, observe carefully. So it is nothing but arrays only. One-dimensional array means we will have only one row will be there. But if you take two-dimensional arrays, so rows and columns combination will be there. Okay, here this is called as 0th row, this is called as first row, this is called as a second row. Similarly, this is called as 0th column, this is called as first column, this is called as second column. Okay, sir, coming to the matrix in our programming, how we are going to provide? Generally, in our mathematics, do you remember or not? We are going to represent a matrix like this. Okay, so with the square brackets we will take, but here In programming, we won't represent these square brackets. Brackets not possible, right? That's why we will supply the inputs in the form of like this only. Suppose if I want to provide inputs like this, I will take. So which indicates how many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. What is the first row? 1, 2, 3. So individual elements separated by spaces. What is the second row? 4, 5, 6. What is the third row? 7, 8, 9. Sir, what is the order of matrix? Could you please tell me what is the order of this matrix, sir? Especially the people who are coming from mathematics background. Yes, you have to tell. Excellent. So it is called as 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix means what? 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there. Okay. Now I will take one more matrix. You have to decide what is the order of that matrix. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sir, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could you please tell me what is the order of this matrix? Everyone have to respond, sir, please. Everyone, please. Okay, Rakesh sir. Swapnika. First we have to count rows. Then we have to count columns. Okay. Rakesh sir and Swapnika, clear? First we have to count rows. Then we have to count columns. Ranjish, you are telling 3, 2. What is that? Okay. Sir, 2 rows are there. Sir, in every row, how many elements are there? 4 elements are there. So 2 by 4 is nothing but the matrix. Okay. Sir, now I am taking one matrix. You have to tell. Okay. Sir, 10, 10. Please tell me what is the order of matrix? Yes, please. Excellent, Rahul. Very good. So 1 by 1, because one row is there and one column is there. Now, sir, all these are nothing but I am giving basics only regarding matrices. I am giving basics. So if I want to declare array, we will take like this. If I want to declare matrix, I have to take like this. 2 brackets we have to take. Okay. So this is in the case of C language. But in Java, how to declare? Integer A, 2 subscripts is equal to new integer of, sir, first size and then second size, row size and then column size. But what about Python? Sir, we have to use list only. But in that, have you observed nested list concept is there? We have to use that. Sir, nested list means what? Sir, this is nothing but the first list. In that, I am going to take 1, 2, 3, comma, second list, sir, something like 4, 5, 6. So third list, we have to take 7, 8, 9 like this. Okay. But there are some precautionary measurements that you have to take, sir. Sir, 1, 2, 3, observe carefully. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a valid matrix in C language. You can write a program to do this kind of operation. Sir, 1, 2, 3, sir, 4, okay, 7, 8. Sir, could you please confirm, is it a matrix, sir, first of all? Please confirm, is it a matrix? Please make sure. Some people are having no idea. Some people are telling yes. Please make sure that yes, it is also a matrix, sir. What is the first row size? How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. In the first row, 3 columns are there. In the second row, 1 column is there. In the third row, 2 columns are there. Okay. The people who are coming from Java background, have you observed array of arrays concept? The people who are coming from Python, sir, nested list. Okay, you can take like this. Sir, how to declare such type of arrays in Java? How to declare these type of arrays in Java? Sir, integer, I am taking. So A is equal to new integer of how many rows that you have to mention here. In this example, how many rows, sir? Please confirm. How many rows? Sushant, that is not in our part. Forget about that. Okay. So 3 rows are there. Now, observe carefully. Sir, A of 0 is equal to new int of 3. Okay, a of 1 is equal to new int of 1. Sir, a of 2 is equal to, sir, new integer of 2. Like this we can take, sir. But in Python, list is equal to, sir, 3 elements in the first list, 1 element in the second nested list. Okay, sir, 2 element in the third list. That's all. Okay, sir, I am telling one statement. The heart of this entire matrix is, sir, rows followed by columns. So if you want to work with any matrix, sir, very important elements are nothing but you have to know how many rows are there, and compulsory you have to know how many columns are there. In our programming, I will represent rows as n and columns as n for a few programs, but later I will make it as a constant for 3, and I will make it as a constant for 3. Okay, but at a top level, how to work with m by m matrix I will explain, but later few programs are not updated in the first batch and the second batch. Sir, I have explained these matrix programs by taking 3 by 3. Okay, but for this batch I am trying to introduce n by m. Slowly I am updating. Maybe it will take some 1 month time also, but first few programs I will explain how to work with n by m. Then later every program is going to be inserted in the form of 3 by 3 matrix only. Okay, I hope the introduction to this matrix is very clear for you people. Please confirm, friends. If you are having any queries, sir, please let me know. Only a theoretical points I provided, sir. So I will introduce how you can able to read this matrix also. Any doubts, friends, up to this? Everyone have to respond. How to deal with column? Yeah, in the program. Yeah, Priyanka madam. Because of this inputs and outputs, writing test cases is very difficult for me in the hacker rank. That's why I have taken 3 by 3, but slowly I am updating. Don't worry, you will get. Okay, yeah. How to deal with the columns? You will get it, Saho. Okay, sir, if I want to read integer a is there, a of so 5 is there, means how to read this? For I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, you are taking a of I, scanf a of I we are taking. Forget about this, irrespective of language, we have to read a of I. Suppose if it is integer 5 by 5, 5 rows 5 columns, how to read, sir? For I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, again you have to take one more loop for columns. For j is equal to 0, j less than 5, j plus plus, I am reading here a of ij. So if you are using one dimensional array, you have to use only one looping statement. If you are using two dimensional array, you have to use two looping statements to read array elements. At the same time, whatever logic you want to perform, you have to do in that particular style only. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what is the programming level hint I am giving. Okay, but please make sure that you have to put more concentration on first two programs. Okay, if you understand first two programs, everything will become easy, sir. Sir, in above example had dissimilar columns. Yeah, we can deal with that, Saho. Nothing will be happen. Suppose if you take this example, okay, so consider I am taking 3 rows and 2 columns. So here you have to replace 3, here you have to replace 2. What will happen? The value of I. Okay, Saho, please send the messages in public. Everyone, those who are having doubts or anything, please send the messages in public. Okay, Sir, observe carefully. I is equal to 0 I am taking first time. When I is equal to 0, what values we are going to get for j? What values we are going to get for j? J will run 2 times only. Remember carefully. I, how many times it is going to run? 3 times. But how many times j is going to run? Only 2 times. Okay, I is equal to 0 means, so we will get j is equal to 0, we will get j is equal to 1. When I is equal to 1, what will happen? The value of j will become 0, the value of j will become 1. Okay, when I is equal to 2, what will happen? The value of j will become 0 and the value of j will become 1. That's all. Sir, now we are getting a matrix 0 comma 0, so 0 comma 1. Okay, sir, next 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0. Sir, then 1 comma 1. So next 2 comma 0. Okay, then 2 comma 2, sorry, 2 comma 1. Okay, I hope you got the clarity, right? Who asked this doubt? Saho, is it clear? Now you got 3 rows, 2 columns. Clear? Yeah, everything is depending on these rows and columns only. That we can do internally. Yeah. Sir, are you ready to start the first program? Please confirm. Are you ready to start the first program? Please confirm. Everyone. Very good. Sir, first program, very easy program only. Of course, here the problem statement is different. Forget about that. How to read and write matrix elements. Beyond that, nothing is there. Sir, I am going for programming window. LBP number 201. Let me solve this challenge. Sir, program to read a matrix elements of order n by m and display on the console. A matrix of order n by m you have to read. What is the constraint? Sir, I have given the maximum row size. I have given the maximum row size. In this 200 won't be there. From 2012 hacker rank programs are there. Sushant. Okay, from 2012 this special link. Forget about that. That's what I am telling. This is not actual hacker rank link. This is a separate link. I will add these programs into your hacker rank links by end of the day. Yeah. Sir, 1 less than or equal to 5. 1 less than or equal to m less than or equal to 5. Sir, this program maximum it will allow how many indexes? No need, no need, no need, sir. Sir, please, no need. I will update the links. Don't worry. I will update the links. Don't worry, please. Okay. Yeah. Sir, already for LBP, sir, for LBP, 5th batch, I think up to 150 programs it is available. For LBP 6th batch, I think you have up to 65 something, 75 something like that it is available. But don't worry, for LBP 5 and LBP 6, these programs will be added. Okay, because directly for 150 I can't jump for 201, right? That's why I am telling after completion of the programs you will get it. Don't worry. Okay, but till that you have to use this link. Till that you have to use this link. No separate sign up is required. Just you can connect to your Google account and you can. Okay, sir. Let me go for the first application. Sir, you can see sample test cases. 2 by 2 matrix means we have to read 2 by 2 matrix and the same thing we have to display on the screen. Here 3 by 3 matrix we are reading and we are displaying the same matrix. Here also 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is there. Sir, 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is there. This is nothing but the task. But how I am implementing in C language, listen carefully. Integer A of maximum size I am taking 5 comma 5. Sir, ij must be required. Mn is must be required. That's all. Sir, first we have to read size, right? Percentage D. Okay. Sir, ampersand M. Row value. Now we are reading column value in M. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Again, for j is equal to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. Scanf percentage d, comma ampersand a of ij I am taking. Perfect. Now same loop I am taking. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. For j is equal to 0, j less than m, j plus plus I am taking. So printf percentage d, printf percentage d, comma a of ij I am printing. But we are familiar with the previous programming. Sir, we are giving spaces in arrays. So to differentiate the gap between two elements, we are giving space. Let me run the code. Sir, it is failed because your output is 1 2 3 4, but the expected output is rows wise separation is there. First row, second row, like that. Sir, in this loop, which loop is generating rows? For loop, right? For I is equal to, right? That's why after printing columns, better to use printf slash n. So that what will happen? After printing every row, it will give new line character. It will give new line character. Let me run. Perfectly, all the test cases are satisfied. Let me submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, friends, do you have any doubts in this C language implementation? Sir, please, I request everyone to respond. Clear? So what is your doubt? For 3 by 3, can we take 3 variables? No. 3 by 3 means what? 3 rows, 3 columns. That means rows and columns, that's all. We have 3 dimensions also there. There we have to take one more variable. Okay, not for 2 by 2 matrices. Sir, how many loops you are taking is not depending on the element which is available here. It is depending on the how many subscripts you are using. If it is one subscript, one loop. If it is two subscripts, two loops. If it is 3 subscripts, 3 loops. Clear, Saho? Oi, Saho, please confirm. Yeah. Sir, now more attention must be required, especially the people who are coming from Java background and Python background. Okay. Sir, you should not ask doubts in next programs. Please concentrate well. Now I am implementing in Java. Listen carefully. Sir, there are some problems in arrays in Java, sir. Okay. So what is the first problem here is compulsory you have to know the size in advance, then only you can able to allow. Okay, like it is something like government colleges. Sir, in the government colleges, what will happen? If the classroom capacity is 60, only 60 members can be allowed. But in private colleges, if any one student came, they will take extra amount and they will sit into the classroom. Now the strength will become 61. Something like C language style. If you create an array with 10 elements in C language, sir, you are having the rights to push 11th element also. But in Java, that is not the case. Exactly, you have to fix how many rows you want, how many columns you want in advance. Otherwise, it won't entertain. That's why, sir, here more dependency will be there on n and then m. So scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of system.in I am taking. Sir, first step, okay, after wake up, you are going to do brush, right? In the same way, sir, you have to read first size of the matrices like n and then m. Then create array With how many rows? N rows. With how many columns? M columns. Then you can declare looping variable. Then you can enjoy your day. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts in these declarations, sir? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts in these declarations? Please confirm. Okay, sir. Now, can we do it in one statement? Which one? Yeah, sir, you can do it, but don't get confused, Rakesh, sir. At the very beginning, don't do experiments. Okay. First, let me run for 2 to 3 times. Then you can do your wish. Now, yeah. Next one, sir. As usual, we have to read the loop. I is equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. Then for j is equal to 0, j less than m, sir, j plus plus. Okay, sir, not scanner. A of ij is equal to, anyway, the type of the array is integer only. That's why I am reading. And the printing is as usual. I is equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus or n. So for j is equal to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. Okay. So, ayo, Rakesh sir is asking one doubt. Yeah, Rakesh sir, please. Do you want me to unmute or will you type? 1 minute, sir. Rakesh sir came with one bigger doubt, it seems. Yeah, Rakesh sir, go ahead.
Sir, not bigger doubt. If the size of row and columns are same, then is it necessary to read in two variables?
No, not required. Not required.
So we can do it by using just, for example, n.
Yeah, but in the program, if they are mentioning, suppose if you take,
yes, that I understand. But if the just for understanding purpose.
Yeah, in this case, you can see two, both the row and the column are same, right?
Yes.
So in such cases, you can use n, both variables as the same, no issues.
Okay, so instead of using m, just
you
one
can
variable.
You can go with. But in my hacker rank programs, yes, all these programs are having square matrix only, like rows, columns are equal.
Yeah.
So in such cases, you can use one variable sufficient.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
J plus plus, Abhishek, where? Yeah, sorry, I have not taken J plus plus. Yeah, now it is updated. Sir, can you explain one example? Yeah, sure, I will explain. Please wait, Ranjish. Sir, here E of ij, sir, same problem will come here also, right? So I'm taking system dot out dot, so println, sorry, yes, you can take empty println. That's all. Now let me run the code. Yes, see here, Ranjish. So in this case, I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here this location is nothing but 0, 0. This location is nothing but 0, 1. This location is nothing but 1, 0. This location is nothing but 1, 1. Sir, what you are thinking? You are writing your own logics. No, sir, because this is considered as a 0th row. This is considered as a first row. This is considered as a first column. This is considered, sorry, the 0th column. This is a first column. Based on that only, I have given these values. Now we are taking for I is equal to 0. So I less than or equal to 2, I plus plus. Again, so to extract these two values, we have used J loop. Okay, like that it is going to iterate one by one. Clear, Ranjish? Yeah. Sir, now let me submit the code. Sir, all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but Java implementation what we have. Please confirm, friends. Is it clear for you in Java? I request every student to please respond. Clear in Java? Yeah, sir, I have given permission for you to unmute.
Really, if you are having any queries, yes, you can unmute and you can speak with me.
Sir, now you told that to Rakesh, I understood, but there in the main program there are 4 rows, na, sir. Means then how
Yeah,
can we?
see what Rakesh sir is telling is suppose if you take addition of two matrices programs. So in such cases, compulsory whatever first matrix size is there, same matrix size will be there for the next one also. See, sir is telling, Rakesh sir is telling, suppose if row value, column value, both are same means in the program execution, we can take only one value. That is, but reading of two values is mandatory. If n is equal to m, then you can replace the value of m with n because it is a square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns will be same. Clear?
But in sir program that there are 4 rows, 2 rows and 4 columns, na, sir. In the first
If
program
it
you
is,
told.
yeah, if it is the case, it won't work. So
Okay,
what sir is telling, if both are equal, then we can do that.
okay, okay, sir.
If it
Thank you,
is
sir.
different, we should not.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me go for Python implementation. Sir, I want to solve this program in Python. Sir, very, very important. Please concentrate more because, sir, the complexity in the C language is nothing but a single star. So in Java, it is 2 stars. Sir, in Python, complexity level is nothing but 3 stars. That's why please concentrate well. Okay. Sir, I am taking the problem statement here. Sir, here what is the problem with Python is nothing but first problem, arrays concept is not there. That's why you can't write program for rows and columns style. That's why, sir, I am going to use a list concept for this purpose. First of all, whatever will happen, let me read the value of n first. Okay, and then let me read the value of m next. Sir, okay, fine, no problem. Then I am creating an array with empty brackets, so that what will happen, a list will be created, sir. An empty list will be created. Now observe carefully. For each I value in the range of, okay, for each I value in the range of I am taking n. Sir, what is the first value of n? It is nothing but something like 3. Consider this is 3. So how many times the loop is going to run? When I is equal to 0, it will run. When I is equal to 1, it will run. When I is equal to 2, it will run. So 3 times we are going to run. Sir, every time, okay, every time, sir, I am going to read the value. Where is my mouse pointer? Yeah. Sir, every time I am going to read three values. These 3 values I am keeping in a list. Then, sir, already you created empty array, right? I am trying to push this particular list into this list, so that what will happen, nested list concept will come into the picture. Okay, sir, let me take a dot append of sir, I am taking a list here. Okay, sir, int of I, for each I value in input dot split. Several times we have used this. Sir, what this function is going to take, whatever inputs you have given. For example, if it is 3 by 3 by 3, okay, if it is 3 by 3, 1 minute. Yeah, if it is 3 by 3, assume the elements are like this. The elements are like this. Sir, what it is doing? So first one empty array got created. Okay, no issues. Then first time when I is equal to 0, I am reading one list. This is nothing but my list. Sir, I am separating my input based on space. That means what, we will get 1, 2, 3 separately. Then I am converting every number into integer. Okay, now I am going to store it in a list, so that what will happen, 1 comma 2 comma 3 we are getting. Sir, we are using append function, so it will be appended to a. Now this is nothing but my first nested list, sir. Okay, fine. One more time, if you read, what will happen, we are going to read these values, so that what will happen, it will be injected like this. Sir, next time 789, like this it is going to insert. Is it in the form of matrix or not? Yes. That's all. Reading the matrix got completed. Okay, now you have to display. For display, we should not write single loop. Compulsory you have to go for 2 loops, because the expected answer is like that. They are not asking in the list format, they are asking individual elements. So how to do that? For I in the range of n, sir, in C language and Java you have taken, what is happening, something is wrong. Yeah, sorry, split method you have, incomplete method is there. So now you have to take for I in the range. Yeah, now for J in range, here also we have to take in. Yeah, why these many mistakes coming today? For J in range of M I am taking. Now listen carefully, I am printing A of ij. So okay, nested list. A of I means what? List element. A of ij means what? In ith element, sir, jth element. That means nested list concept. End is equal to space. But after completion of this, we need to print new line character. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, please, I request everyone to please be on mute. Sir, let me submit the code. Is it working? Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. This is the way, sir, how you can able to read and write, sir, matrix elements. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in these 3 programs, sir? Please confirm, do you have any doubts in these 3 programs, sir? Yeah, last print, see, as usual, how you have used println, how you have used printf/n, in the same way here also. After printing first row values, you have to transfer the control to next line, because they are expecting the answer like this. Okay, so for that we have used print statement. Kajal, clear? Yeah. Then append means, sir, see here, suppose if you are giving input like this, sir, we are reading this input in this style, because the input is in this format. So how it is going to be treated? Input function will read the data in the form of a string. So it will take something like 1 2 3 like this. Then what is happening? It is splitting. If you split, what will happen? 1 we will get, okay, 2 we will get, 3 we will get. Then from that we are converting into integer and we are framing into the list. Now I am appending this into the main list. So what is the main list? Initially empty. Now it will be appended. Sir, next line is what? 4 5 6 will be appended. Next line is what? 7 7 8 9 will be appended. Okay, clear? Raghavendra, if given input, sorry, if I give input one by one in the sense, Srinivas, line by line, huh? I'm not getting your question. One by one in the sense like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Yeah, in such cases you should not take like this. You should not take like this. Again, you have to write one more loop for j in the range of m. So read one element and push it into one array. Srinivas is asking one important question. Actually, you have to understand that. So you have used this loop, right? The same thing, if elements are given in this style, what we have to do? For I in the range of n, okay, then you have to create one more array called b. Then for j in range of m, sir, you have to read the elements one by one. So b dot append of int of input, individual elements you have to take. Okay, then after completion of this, what we have to do? Sir, a dot append of b. Clear? Srinivas, very good, nice doubt you have asked. Srinivas, I hope you got the clarity. Very good. Yeah. Sir, I think it is very clear for you people. Shall we go for the second program, sir? Please confirm. Shall we go for the second program? You can't take B before loop. So because every time new list we have to create, then we have to add. Okay. No. Yes, we have to add the elements every time. Correct only. Okay. Yeah, Sushant, correct. Split is used to convert a string into array. No. Split is used to divide the given string into individual elements. Okay. Yeah, it is working on spaces. Suppose if the input is something like 1, 2, 3. If you ask a split, it will return a list with 1, 2, 3. Suppose if it is having hi, hello, how are you? Like this, if you are taking dot split means what? So it will return strings like this, hi, and then hello, and then how, and then are, and then you, like that. Clear, Sushant? Yeah. Sir, let me go for the second program. What we have here is LBP number 202. Sum of all matrix elements. Sir, nothing. Once if you know, sir, how to read and write matrices, rest of the things will become very easy. Just you need to enter into driving school and you have to learn driving. That's all. Then if you get a car, you can travel to any place, whether the road is good or not. Is it a ghat road? Okay, or is it having tar road, or is it a cement road? Forget about that. If you know driving, yes, you can drive. So sum of all matrix elements, the program is the same, sir. Nothing is going to be changed. Only small activities like in arrays also we have seen these kind of things, right? Once if you know how to read and write array, rest of the things will become copy paste. We are very familiar in that, right? Let me do that. Yes. Sir, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is nothing but 45. 1 plus all zeros, 1, 1, 1, 3. Now let me take C program. Sir, additionally, we required some variable. And here, before starting the loop, I am taking sum is equal to 0. Anyway, they are not asking to print the values. That's why sum is equal to sum plus a of ij I am taking. Then I am removing this. Sir, finally, after completion of the entire logic, I am printing the value of yes. Sir, any doubts? Please confirm. Any doubts? Please confirm. Any doubts? That's all, sir. Let me run. Definitely it will work for all test cases. Perfect, sir. Ranjish, what is your doubt? Ranjish. First loop is working for read. Yeah. See, first loop is always used to read the values only. So first loop is going to read the matrix elements. Remaining things is depend on your business logic, because without reading inputs you can't continue. So in the first program they are asking to read the array elements, that is matrix elements, and you have to print that matrix. But in the second case they are asking us to take sum of each and every element. They are not asking the printing values. That's why, sir, we should not disturb the first loop, because that is the place where we can read the inputs. Clear, Ranjish? Yeah. Every time you are posting that question, that's what I got doubt. Yeah, let me go for Java implementation of this program. Sir, same thing. Additionally, we required some. Initially it is equal to 0. Better I will take initializations separately. Sum is equal to 0. And what we have to do here, sum is equal to sum plus a of ij I am taking. Now after completion of the loop, you have to print the value of sum. Let me run the code. Is it working or not? Yes, and submit the code. That's all. Sir, now you need to solve this problem in Python. In Python also same thing. So instead of printing, sum is equal to sum plus a of ij. And finally you have to print the value of sum and declare sum is equal to 0. Yes, and submit the code. Okay, so I think this program is very clear for you people. Sir, please confirm, is the C language implementation, Java implementation, Python implementation, is it clear for you people for this second program? I request everyone to please respond, sir. Is it clear for you people? Okay. Yes, very good. Now let me go for the next problem, sir. So what is the next problem that we have here is, sir, LBP number 203. I think now you can play games. Sum of all even elements. Sir, the program is same or not? Okay, the program is same or not? Yes, same program you have to take. But what modifications you need to do? You have to check whether it is even element or not. How to check? Simple if condition. What is that if condition? If a of ij percentage 2 is equal to 0 or not, you have to check. If it is yes, then you have to add. So let me execute this C language code first of all. Is it going to work or not? 203 program. But here there is one small problem is there. Have you I told, right, sir, I am not giving any order here. Okay, I am going to take the default order as a 3 by 3 for all these programs. Order is not given. The input format is always 3 by 3. Anyway, I will update that soon. But you know how to work with n by m, right? Just you can consider these things you can remove. Okay, so you can take array size as 3 by 3 as a fixed value. I think nm is not required. Okay, you can run this loop for 3 by 3, and here also you can run for 3 by 3. That's all. Yeah, you can use, no problem. Let me run the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed. and even the code submitted. Okay, sir, same thing I want to implement even in Java. Sir, a small modification in Java also. Sir, n and then m, no need to read. Here you can able to fix the size 3 by 3. Okay, and here also you have to change 3. Here also you have to change 3. Okay, sir, next reading is the same. Here also 3. So here also 3. Next, you have to check if a of ij percentage 2 is equal to 0 means then we have to add the elements. Let me take this Java program and let me paste here and let us run. Perfectly working. Okay. Now, sir, how to implement in Python? So these two lines are not required. Okay. Sir, I think you can reduce in Python also. You can do one thing. Anyway, it is a 3 by 3 matrix elements, right? Okay, I can do one thing. So better take this n value as a 3. That will be fine. So now what we have to do here, if a of ij percentage 2 is equal to 0 means then we have to run. Okay, let me run this code. Let me run. Is working properly and submit the code. So this is nothing but how you can able to work for even numbers. Sir, I want to do the same program, I think so, continuation, odd numbers, right? If it is an odd number, same program you can copy paste, but what changes you have to do in the place of, okay, sir, in the place of percentage 2 is equal to 0, sir, you have to take not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Sir, I think no need to explain, right? Do you want me to run the program? Please confirm. Do you want me to run the program? Yeah, not required. Just you can execute this. Sir, what is the fifth one? Observe carefully. Sum of all prime elements. Sum of all prime elements you have to calculate. Sir, the program is the same only. Nothing is changing. Okay. Just we have to define here is prime. Is prime of E of I. Is it prime number or not? We have to check. Okay. Similarly, even in Java also, sir, we have to check whether is it a prime number or not. So is prime of A of ij. So even in Python also, we have to check whether is it a prime number or not. Okay. Sir, how to check? We have to write prime number logic manually, right? So let me take this C language implementation. Okay. I'm going to take here 204, right? Let me take that. No, without using is prime, how it is possible, man? Okay, compulsory we have to take. Now I am taking integer is prime of 205. What is the 205? Venkatesh. Okay, LBP number 205. Okay, sorry. I think that it was a line number. That's why I'm checking. Yeah. So let me take that is prime. Integer is prime of, sorry, integer n I am taking. So integer I comma number of factors is equal to 0. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. So if n percentage I is equal to 0, f plus plus I am taking. Sir, finally written f double equal to 2. Let me run this code. What is happened here? One more bracket is missing. Yes, perfect. And submit the code. But just we have to copy this is prime. It is sufficient, right? And in the document somewhere one closing bracket is missing. Yes. Now, even for Java implementation, same thing, sir. Even in Java implementation, same thing. Just we have to implement that is prime function. I am taking static boolean is prime of integer n, integer I comma f is equal to 0. For each I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. If n percentage I is equal to 0, factors plus plus, return if f is double equal to 2. That's all. Let me run. Perfect. And submit the code. Sir, all the test cases are passed successfully. I will take only this is prime function. Then, so same Python is also same thing. Here I am going to define is prime function n value. Sir, factors is equal to initially 0 for each I in the range of 1 to including the value of n. So if n percentage I is equal to 0, f is equal to f plus 1. Finally, I am going to return f is double equal to 2. Let me run. Yes, and submit the code. Just we have to take this is prime alone. So clear up to this. Do you have any doubts, sir, in this program? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts in this program? Please confirm. Please confirm. Why we are returning f is double equal to 2? So if f is double equal to 2, it will return either true or false. Sushant. So if it is true means what? It is a prime number because it is having only two factors. If it is not returning 2 means what? It is not a prime number because factors more than 2. Clear? Yeah. Sir, what is the next program that we have here is LBP number 206. LBP number 206. Row wise sum in matrix. Row wise sum is nothing but our requirement. Sir, first I will open you the problem statement diagrammatically. I mean, in the hacker rank. Have a look once. Sir, program to read row wise sum. Row wise sum means what? What is the first row sum? What is the second row sum? What is the third row sum? Like this we have to print. Sir, it is the same as sum of the matrix elements. Whatever you have taken, the same style, sir. But what changes you have to do is nothing but observe carefully. I will take which program? A sum of all even elements. This program I will take. They are asking row wise sum. Observe carefully what modification I am going to do. Sir, same program here, condition is not required. Sir, observe carefully. Instead of taking sum is equal to 0 here, sir, I am taking sum is equal to 0 here. So what will happen? For every row, sum will be starting from 0, and I am adding column values to the sum. And don't print sum here, you have to print sum here, and after that take slash n. That's all. Okay, what will happen? Sir, sum is equal to 0, add all the row values, column values, I mean 0 0 0 1 0 2, then print that value. Next time when it is coming to the second row, again it will start from 0. Have you observed? Like this it will iterate. Sir, what about here? Here also same thing. You have to take sum is equal to 0, okay, and you have to add the elements, then you have to print these values here. That's all. And in Python also same, sir. You have to take sum is equal to here, and you need to print the value of sum here. Sir, let me execute this. I am taking C language code here. Is working properly. Let me take Java code. And let me take Python code. Yes, this is nothing but how you can able to do. Sir, any doubts on this? Please confirm. Any doubts on this? Please confirm. Okay. Sir, requesting everyone to respond. Please confirm. Yeah. Sir, now next one will become very easy, sir. What is the next one is column wise sum, sir. Sir, whatever you have taken row wise sum, same thing you have to take for column wise sum also. Okay. Sir, in matrix, do you remember or not? If you are interchanging I values and j values, automatically your rows will become columns, columns will become rows, sir. Trust me. Okay. Sir, here there is one matrix is there with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, right? Sir, you are adding s is equal to 0 when I is equal to 0. Okay. You have started s is equal to 0, and you have added j is equal to 0. J is equal to 1. That means 0, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 like this. Now, sir, instead of ij, can I take ji? Why can't? Now observe carefully what will happen. Ji means what? Initially sum is equal to 0. Sir, j is equal to I value will become 0, j value will become 0, 0 comma 0. This element will be added. Next, sir, I value is 0 only, j value will become 1. Now I am not adding e of ij, I am adding ji. That means what? Sir, 1 0, not 0 1, 1 0, because we are inversing. 1 0 means what? This element will be added. Okay. Next, when I is equal to 0, j is equal to 2, like this we have to take this element. But reverse we are adding. That means 2 0. That means this element will be added. Okay, like this we can get. So what we have to do for this, just you have to interchange. In the place of ij, I am taking ji. Okay, so if you want, I will run this program in one programming language. Rest of the things you can do. 208, right? Sorry, 207, I think so. I will take it in Python, sir. Yes, all the test cases are passed. Sir, any doubts in these two programs? Row wise sum, column wise sum. Do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Okay. Now let me take the next one, sir. Okay. Next one is still easy. Sum of diagonal elements in the matrix. Sir, I have a small doubt. If you want to calculate a sum of diagonal elements, what should be the value of I and j, sir? Please confirm. What should be the I value, j value? Very good. So if I value and j value both are equal, sir, then that is said to be diagonal. Okay. Now, sir, same program I am taking with the condition where we have taken some. Yeah. Even number something we have calculated, right? Let me take this program. Sir, same program I am taking for diagonal elements. Yes. Here, what condition we have to take? Sir, I is double equal to j. Here also we have to take I is double equal to j. Here also we have to take I is double equal to j. That's all. Sir, any one programming language I will choose and I will execute. I think it is 208 or 908. Sum of diagonal elements. Let me take Java programming. Let me run the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed. Yeah, Saho, diagonal elements means row value and column value will be same. Okay, 1 minute. I will show you with the diagram. Suppose if I have matrix like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, diagonal elements means what? 0th row, first row, second row, 0th column, first column, second column. This is called as a diagonal element. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, like this we have. Clear, Saho? Yes. Sir, for column also, sorry. One more program is there, sir, which is nothing but a sum of opposite diagonals. Okay, sum of opposite diagonals. Sir, I have one small logic is there in my mind. Let me check. Okay. 357 is also diagonal element. What is that? 356. Sir, you are talking about individually. Yeah. I'm coming to that one only. Sir, now I have a small query here. Sir, I want to take opposite diagonal, sir. Listen carefully, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Opposite diagonal means what? This one. I want to check this one, sir. I want to add sum of opposite diagonals. If it is this diagonal, I have taken I is equal to j. Sir, I have various options are there for this. Let me check. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 we have. So what is the condition that I'm trying to frame here is, sir, I is double equal to, sir, I can take n minus I minus 1. I think so it should work. Let me cross check. Here n means 3, sir. In these examples, it is 3. Let me check. Sir, when I is equal to 0. Okay, when I is equal to 0, sir, 0 is double equal to, I think we should not compare, because based on equality, we are not going to get. Yeah, I think we have to remove this entire for loop. In this for loop, you can write this formula. A of I n minus, that means 3 minus I minus 1. I think we can write like this. Let me explore, sir. Sum is equal to initially 0. Sir, when I is equal to 0, so A of 0 I am taking 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 2, 0 comma 2. Is this element came or not? Yes. Now, when I is equal to 1, okay, 1 comma 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 comma 1. This element came or not? Yes. Now, when I is equal to 2, sir, 2 comma 3 minus 2 means 1, 1 minus 1 means 0. 2 comma 0 means this one, 7. Sir, came or not? Like this. Sir, is this concept is clear for you people? If it is a 4 by 4 matrix, replace with 4. If it is a n by n matrix, replace with n. Please confirm, is the logic is clear? No, if it is order is fixed, then you can write, sir. But order is not fixed means you can't take. Okay. Ranjish, what is not clear? With the diagram I explained, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there means we have to add the elements a of I comma 3 minus I minus 1. This logic you have to apply. So in this, if you take I is equal to 0, sir, 0 comma 3 minus 0, which is nothing but 3. Minus 1 means 2. 0 comma 2 we are going to get, which is nothing but this element. Similarly, when I is equal to 1, 1 comma 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. This element you are going to get. When I is equal to 2, so 2 comma 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 comma 0. That is nothing but this element. Is it opposite diagonal or not? Yes. Like this you have to do. Clear, Ranjish? Yeah. Here we have to remove this J loop. Okay. And you have to write the formula like S is equal to S plus A of, sir, 3 minus I minus 1. Here also you have to remove this and you have to take S plus, sir, 3 minus I minus 1. So here also we have to remove this J loop and you have to take S plus 3 minus I minus 1. So let me run C language code here. LBP number 209, I think so. Let me run. Yes, working properly. And let us submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. Sir, clear up to this? Do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Is it clear up to this? Do you have any doubts? Okay. Yeah. Sir, let me go for the next program, sir. So what is the next program that we have here is, okay, LBP number 210. Okay. What is this 210? Program to find the sum of first and last element in the matrix. Sir, you have to tell. So what formula you have to take for calculating sum of first and last element in the array, I mean in the matrix? Please post everyone. What is the formula? I think the same program, just you have to print A of 0, 0 plus A of 3 by 3 matrix means what will be the last element? 2, 2, right? Is it correct? Yeah, if it is n by m matrix, then m minus, sorry, n minus 1, m minus 1. Sir, is the formula is correct? A of 0, 0 plus A of 2, 2. Because it is a 2 by 2, sorry, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? First element and last element in the array. I mean, in the matrix. I think no need to write any program also for this. Just we have to read and you have to print. Directly you can do this. A of 0, 0, first element plus A of 2, 2, 2, last element. So here also I am going to take, so A of 0, 0, first element plus A of 2, 2, last element. That's all. Then, sir, find the product of diagonal matrix. Sir, product of diagonal matrix means what? Product of diagonal matrix. Sir, we have to find out diagonal matrix product. I think some of product elements we have seen, right? Some of diagonal elements. I think same program, right? Same program, right? Product of diagonal elements, right? But what changes we have to take? Product means we have to initialize to 1. Then in this place we have to take star. Here also you have to take sum is equal to 1. And you have to take multiplication here. Sir, you have to take sum is equal to 1 here. And here you need to take multiplication. Let me run any one program. Let me take Python program. Let me run the code. Sir, some test cases are not working. Is it correct? What is the problem here? They are asking only diagonal elements product, right? See, the problem statement is different. 210. It is 211. Sorry, sir. Now let me take Python. Yes, now let me run the code. Sir, working properly and submit the code. Okay. Yes. Now we have to implement the next program. I think the next program is also very easy for you people. Okay. So what is the next program? Find the product of opposite diagonal, sir. Okay. Opposite diagonal. So how you can able to find out opposite diagonal? Somewhere we have the formula, right? Same thing you have to take here. Like this we have to take. But what modifications you need to do here? Sir, product is equal to 1. So sum is equal to sum into product. Sum into the elements. Product is equal to 1. Sir, product is equal to product into we have to take. Sir, here also product is equal to 1. Sir, product is equal to product into we have to take. I think no need to execute this program also. Okay. Sir, please confirm any doubts up to this. Yeah, Rahul, we can do that. But for previous program, you can do. But for this, you can't do. Opposite diagonals, compulsory, you have to write the logic. Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. So that's all about today's session. Probably I will take Monday also. This workshop will be continued, sir. Okay. So today, tomorrow, and Monday also we are going to continue this. Okay, because we need to finish these matrix programs. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I will update the running notes within few minutes. Yeah, Armstrong number program is there. Okay, Armstrong number program is there. You will get it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow same timings will be there. You have to log in at, okay. Yeah, tomorrow same timings will be there. Please log in at 7 o'clock. Same times. Okay. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation, guys. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I will upload the running notes in each and every batch. Thank you, guys. Yeah, good night. Thank you.